Good afternoon and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. Our headline today: India expanding satellite launch plans for 2026. Artemis program preparing for crewed lunar mission. Firefly Aerospace successfully returns to orbit. Newly discovered asteroid passing close to Earth. Cargo spacecraft departs the International Space Station. Today is Friday, 13th March 2026. In many cultural traditions, Friday is associated with the planet Venus, one of the brightest objects visible in the night sky and major focus of planetary research. Today's bulletin covers important developments from around the world, including asteroid monitoring near Earth, progress in lunar exploration missions, commercial rocket launches, and updates from the International Space Station. Starting with national developments, India's space program continues to expand its satellite launch schedule for the year 2026. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, the National Space Agency of India, has indicated that multiple satellite missions are planned during the year. These missions include Earth observation satellites, communication satellites, and technology demonstration missions. Earth observation satellites are particularly important because they help monitor climate change, natural disasters, agricultural patterns, and urban development. These satellites collect high-resolution data that assist policymakers, scientists, and disaster management agencies. India's growing launch capability is also important globally because many countries rely on India launch vehicles for cost-effective access to space. Moving to international developments, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, the space agency of the United States, is continuing preparations for its Artemis second mission. This mission aims to send astronauts around the moon and back to Earth, marking first human lunar mission in more than 50 years. The mission will use two major systems: the Space Launch System, a powerful heavy lift rocket, and the Orion spacecraft designed for deep space travel. Engineers are currently refining mission architecture and adding new mission components to strengthen the long-term lunar exploration strategy. The Artemis program ultimately aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, develop technologies needed for future missions to Mars. Next comes the space industry and launch updates. A major development in commercial space industry came with the successful launch of the Alpha rocket by Firefly Aerospace. The mission, named Stairway to 7, marked the rocket's return to flight after earlier technical issues in previous missions. The rocket launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California and successfully reached orbit about 151 miles above Earth, deploying a demonstration payload for Lockheed Martin. This mission is significant because it validates improvements made to the rocket system, it restores confidence in Firefly's launch capability, and it supports growing commercial satellite deployment. Commercial launch companies are increasingly important in space exploration because they reduce launch costs and accelerate innovation. Now moving to astronomy and planetary monitoring. Astronomers are monitoring a newly discovered asteroid expected to pass close to Earth. The object, approximately the size of a bus, was detected only a few days before its closest approach to Earth. It will pass at a distance less than the average distance between the Earth and the Moon, which is known as a lunar distance. Although the asteroid poses no threat to Earth, its discovery highlights the importance of planetary defense systems. Astronomers worldwide continuously track near-Earth objects using powerful telescopes and automated detection systems. Early detection allows scientists to calculate orbital trajectories, assess impact probabilities, and develop potential deflection strategies if needed. About International Space Station operations, astronauts aboard the International Space Station recently released a cargo spacecraft that had completed its mission. The spacecraft, part of the Cygnus cargo program, departed the station carrying thousands of kilograms of waste material. Cargo spacecraft play a crucial role in maintaining long duration human presence in space. They deliver food supplies, scientific equipment, and spare parts for station maintenance. After departure, many cargo spacecraft burn up safely in Earth's atmosphere along with the waste they carry. This system allows the station to maintain operational efficiency while supporting continuous scientific research. Space exploration continues to evolve rapidly through international cooperation, technological innovation, and scientific discovery. From asteroid monitoring near Earth to prepare of future human missions to the moon, the developments we discussed today demonstrate how space science is shaping the future of humanity. And with that, we conclude today's MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. This is Ishika Jain signing off for the day. Stay tuned for the latest updates.